2608 Wild Ambrosia. Really cute landscaping in the front. There's a dent there in the garage paneling, something we see quite a lot. There's no wood frame around the garage, so it's one less thing to maintain. I haven't seen a lot of things that need work in this house. I went ahead and put repaint down just because the property manager may ask for it, just to freshen it up, but I don't know. It's borderline. It's not bad. There's just areas, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but there's bad touch-up area here, and at that point you might as well just touch up the wall. You know, typical things that you see, but the lighting, it's a little difficult to see how much shadows we have and different patched areas. So I'm just going to go ahead and say repaint. These are the 2.5 inch faux wood blinds that we like, except obviously they're brown, not white, which we prefer, but they look to be in good condition. I haven't inspected them. I can't guarantee that, but for example, let's look at this kitchen blind. Usually the kitchen blind is the dirtiest of them all, and you could use a janitorial, but it looks like it'll clean easily. So I think the blinds might be okay. Space saver microwave already in place saves a little bit of money, and it looks pretty good. From what I can tell, the cabinets also look to be in pretty good condition with the janitorial, of course. It's a lived-in house, it's not brand new, so you have to expect certain things. Definitely needs a larger fridge though. I don't think we can pull that fridge off. Pavers perhaps? Maybe a house like this in this particular neighborhood and in this particular location, maybe we can pull it off. We do have dishes and a grill there, so I'm going to go ahead and put a trash out. Removing the satellite might be an extra cost. These are very small things. This is one of the cleanest houses I've seen in a while. It doesn't have a security bar, but it has this little stopper thingy at the bottom. It looks like some of these were repaired. So I'm going to go ahead and put a vertical just to be safe. And this door handle is a little wobbly, so I'm just going to say tighten door handle on slider. Nice to have raised panel doors. Tile. Counter looks great. Cabinets look good. It's a normal toilet. Recessed lighting, so we don't have any rusted light fixtures to worry about. Oh, let's talk about the flooring. It looks pretty good for the most part. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but right about there, I see a little bit of buckling, which is something you're going to see. So it's not tile, but it looks very nice at this time. So we don't have a pan installed at the water heater. Again, a few items to junk. This is a very expensive safe, but yeah. So the inspector would note if the earthquake straps were installed correctly at the water heater. We probably wouldn't install a pan. We would install a pan at the beginning, but probably not. Okay, I'll deal with that later. The stairway handle is a different color than flooring, of course, but not sure that it matters. Just seeing like different shading and things. That's why we're going to need the property manager's opinion. Recessed lighting. Tile. It's so nice to see tile upstairs. We don't need any caulking to be redone or a shower rod. Cabinets look good. Light fixture looks good. Oh, it's been hot in here. I'll put 2 blinds down. We have a tiny little baby fan, but this is an extra room, so not sure that it matters. It's nice to even have one. We have a real one here. Looks nice. I'm going to put 2 more blinds down. Tile again, and its own separate laundry room on the 2nd floor. Huge plus. If you've done laundry in a normal situation, it's nice not to have to carry the laundry upstairs and downstairs. We already have some shelves. Oh, there's another room. So here's the master. I'm gonna put 2 more blinds down because these are warped from the heat. So the one in the closet is warped as well, so I'm gonna put 3 more down. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Flooring looks good. I personally really like the flooring in this house for a rental. I'm really happy that there's tile in the wet areas and it feels like it was installed correctly. Pretty clean. Cabinets look good, counters look good. Light fixture doesn't have a ton of rust on it. Oh, sorry. Typical toilet, recessed lighting, very straightforward. Replace those light bulbs and make sure they match. Again, very normal. I'm gonna put blind in this room down. Maybe this blind is okay. It's just a little saggy, so I'm just gonna put it down. Better to take it off at a later time. So as you can see, we don't have a fan in this room, but it's the 4th bedroom, so may not even be used as a bedroom. The flooring looks good, really nice. We have a smoke detector in here. We do have a locking door handle, so we'll want to remove all the interior door handles on the bedrooms that lock. So that's 2, 3, and 4. Okay. You know what? While we're here, smoke detector needs batteries, but it's there. Smoke detector. Okay, we're good.